Want to know the secret to glowing skin? It's not some elusive, expensive product or a complex skincare regimen. Rather, it's something as simple as what we put into our bodies. That's right, the secret to radiant, healthy skin might just be on your dinner plate, or in this case, in your smoothie glass. Our skin, the largest organ in our bodies, is a reflection of our overall health and well-being. It's constantly regenerating and renewing itself, and in doing so, it requires a steady supply of essential nutrients to keep it functioning optimally. And where do we get these nutrients? From the food we eat, of course. A diet rich in fruits and vegetables loaded with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants can do wonders for our skin. These nutrients help to protect our skin from damaging free radicals, boost collagen production, and promote a healthy complexion. They can help fight off acne, reduce wrinkles, and give our skin that sought-after glow. Now you might be thinking, that sounds great, but how do I incorporate all these fruits and vegetables into my diet? That's where smoothies come in. Smoothies are a fantastic way to pack in a ton of nutrition into one delicious, easy-to-consume package. They're quick to make, easy to customize, and the perfect solution for those of us who struggle to get our daily dose of fruits and veggies. In the upcoming segments, we're going to be sharing some amazing smoothie recipes that are specifically designed to boost your skin health. These aren't just your average fruit smoothies. We're talking about power-packed concoctions that are brimming with ingredients known for their skin-enhancing properties. We've got green smoothies packed full of leafy greens and other superfoods. We've got berry smoothies loaded with antioxidants and vitamins. And we've got citrus smoothies bursting with vitamin C and other skin-boosting nutrients. So, are you ready to give your skin the nutrition it craves? Are you ready to glow from the inside out? Stay tuned to discover the magic of these smoothie recipes for a glowing skin. Ever thought about the power of green smoothies for your skin? Now, let's dive into the world of green smoothies, a powerhouse of nutrients that can transform your skin from the inside out. Imagine a blend of fresh spinach, vibrant kale, and crisp cucumber. What do you get? A green smoothie brimming with skin-loving nutrients. Spinach, for instance, is a fantastic source of iron, folate, chlorophyll, vitamin E, magnesium, vitamin A, fiber, plant protein, and vitamin C. These nutrients aid in skin repair, boost collagen production, and help maintain skin elasticity. Then we have kale, often hailed as the queen of greens. Kale is a superfood that's packed with antioxidants like vitamin C and beta-carotene. These antioxidants help in neutralizing harmful free radicals, which can otherwise cause damage to your skin. Moreover, the vitamin K in kale can help reduce dark circles under your eyes, giving you that refreshed and youthful look. Let's not forget cucumber, a hydrating hero that's about 95% water. It's a natural hydrator that helps to moisturize your skin, keeping it soft and supple. Plus, cucumbers are rich in silica, which promotes elasticity and helps to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. When you combine these ingredients in a green smoothie, you're not just having a refreshing drink. You're treating your skin to a nutrient-rich cocktail that can help it glow from within. It's like a spa treatment for your skin, but it's consumed rather than applied. Remember, the skin is the body's largest organ, and what you feed your body can significantly impact how your skin looks and feels. By incorporating green smoothies into your diet, you're nourishing your skin with vital nutrients it needs to be healthy, radiant, and youthful. So, are you prepared to harness the power of green smoothies? Ready to start your journey towards glowing skin with our first green smoothie recipe? Here's how to whip up a green glow smoothie. On this radiant journey to glowing skin, we're going to start with a base of 1.5 cups of unsweetened almond milk. Almond milk is a wonderful dairy-free alternative, packed with vitamin E, a potent antioxidant that helps to repair and renew your skin. Next, we're going to add 2 cups of spinach. Don't grimace. Spinach is a powerhouse of nutrients. It's rich in iron, which is essential for producing red blood cells and in turn giving you that healthy skin glow. It also has vitamins A and C that work together to keep your skin looking supple and bright. Now let's sweeten things up with 1 ripe banana. Bananas are not just for monkeys, they're a fantastic source of vitamin C and B6, both of which play a crucial role in maintaining the integrity and elasticity of your skin. For an extra boost of green goodness, we're going to throw in half a cucumber. Cucumbers are composed of about 95% water, keeping your skin hydrated and helping to flush out toxins. Next, we'll add a slice of avocado. What's a green smoothie without it, right? Avocados are packed with healthy fats, vitamins, and antioxidants that can improve your skin from the inside. We'll top it all off with a tablespoon of chia seeds. These tiny seeds are a skin's best friend, loaded with omega-3 fatty acids that help to nourish your skin, giving it a more youthful appearance. Finally, we're going to blend all these ingredients together until smooth. You can add a bit of ice if you like your smoothies on the cooler side. All right, there you have it. A delicious green glow smoothie brimming with nutrients that your skin will thank you for. It's the perfect blend of health and taste, a drink that not only pleases your palate but also pampers your skin. Enjoy this refreshing green glow smoothie for a radiant skin. Have you experienced the magic of berry smoothies for your skin? Let's delve into the world of these colorful and delicious drinks that are not just a treat for your taste buds, but also offer incredible benefits for your skin. When we talk about berry smoothies, we're referring to a delightful blend of strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries, each one a power-packed ingredient contributing significantly to skin health. Strawberries, these heart-shaped fruits, are not just pleasing to the eye. They're rich in antioxidants, particularly vitamin C, which is known for its skin-brightening properties. Vitamin C helps in collagen production, which maintains skin elasticity and prevents wrinkles. So a glass of strawberry smoothie is like a sip of youthfulness. Next on our list are blueberries. These tiny round fruits are like nature's little gifts filled with antioxidants. They help combat free radicals, the culprits behind skin aging and dullness. Adding blueberries to your smoothie is like adding a protective shield to your skin, defending it against environmental stressors. And let's not forget about raspberries. These vibrant red fruits are abundant in ellagic acid, a natural compound that helps reduce the damage caused by the sun's ultraviolet rays. And we all know how important sun protection is for maintaining healthy, glowing skin. When you blend raspberries into your smoothie, you're essentially adding a natural sunblock to your skincare routine. In essence, berry smoothies are not just about taste. They are a delightful concoction of fruits that offer a myriad of skin benefits. They're a tasty treat that nourishes your skin from the inside out, giving it a natural glow that no cosmetic can replicate. And the best part is, they're easy to prepare and perfect for any time of the day. So, are you ready to embrace the magic of berry smoothies? Remember, your skin is a reflection of your overall health and what you feed your body, so let's treat it with the care it deserves. Gear up for our next recipe, the Berry Blast Smoothie. Here's how to blend a Berry Blast smoothie. Let's embark on a taste adventure where the destination is a radiant, youthful skin. This Berry Blast smoothie is not just a delight to your taste buds, but also a boon to your skin health. Begin by gathering your ingredients. You'll need 1 ripe banana, a cup of mixed berries, think strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, half a cup of Greek yogurt, a tablespoon of honey, and a splash of almond milk. Each of these ingredients brings a unique benefit to the table. Bananas are a fantastic source of vitamin C and B6, both vital for maintaining the integrity and elasticity of your skin. Mixed berries, a powerhouse of antioxidants, help to neutralize harmful free radicals, preventing skin damage and promoting a youthful appearance. Next up, Greek yogurt. Packed with probiotics, it aids in digestion and absorption of nutrients, indirectly contributing to better skin health. Honey, a natural humectant, helps keep your skin moisturized. And finally, almond milk provides a dairy-free, vitamin E-rich alternative that's essential for skin protection. Now let's get blending. Peel and slice your banana and toss it into your blender. Add your vibrant mixed berries, Greek yogurt, and honey. Pour in a splash of almond milk to give your smoothie a smooth, creamy texture. Blend these ingredients together until you reach a consistency you love. If you prefer your smoothies a bit thinner, feel free to add a little more almond milk. Once blended, pour your smoothie into a glass. Maybe top it with a few extra berries or a drizzle of honey for that extra touch. And there you have it, your Berry Blast smoothie, a concoction that's as tasty as it is beneficial. So the next time you're looking for a refreshing, skin-loving treat, remember this recipe. Not only will it satisfy your sweet tooth, but it'll also provide your skin with the nutrients it craves. Sip on this delicious Berry Blast smoothie for a youthful skin. Have you tried the power of citrus smoothies for your skin? When it comes to skin health, citrus fruits are a game changer. Packed to the brim with vitamin C, these zesty wonders have a well-earned reputation for being skin superheroes. Let's start with oranges. Oranges are a powerhouse of antioxidants and vitamin C, a vital molecule for skin health. It helps to prevent aging, promotes collagen production, and works to protect your skin against damage from harmful radicals. Truly, oranges are not just for breakfast anymore. Next, we have grapefruit. This tangy delight is rich in vitamin A and C, both essential for healthy skin. Vitamin A helps to keep the skin firm and smooth, while vitamin C boosts the skin's collagen production, giving it elasticity and preventing wrinkles. Grapefruit also contains a high water content, which aids in naturally hydrating the skin. And let's not forget about lemon. This citrus star is a natural detoxifier. It cleanses the body, which in turn reflects on the skin. It's also a great source of vitamin C, and its acidic nature helps to brighten and even out skin tones. But the power of citrus doesn't stop there. Citrus fruits are also loaded with flavonoids, a type of antioxidant that helps to fight inflammation and strengthen blood vessels. They also contain limonene, a compound that's been shown to reduce the risk of skin cancer. Incorporating these citrus fruits into smoothies is a delicious and easy way to reap their skin benefits. So next time you're in the kitchen, consider adding a slice of orange, a squeeze of grapefruit, or a dash of lemon to your blender. Your skin will thank you. And the best part, you can enjoy these citrus smoothies any time of the day. Whether it's a refreshing start to your morning or a sweet end to your day, these zesty concoctions are a treat for your taste buds and your skin. Get ready for our final recipe, the Citrus Sunrise Smoothie. Here's how to create a Citrus Sunrise Smoothie. This recipe is a burst of sunshine in a glass, packed with vitamin C and guaranteed to tantalize your taste buds while working wonders for your skin. Start by peeling one ripe and juicy orange. Oranges are a fantastic source of vitamin C, essential for the production of collagen, which helps keep your skin firm and supple. Next, grab a half of a grapefruit. Now, grapefruits might be a bit tart for some, but they're a powerhouse of antioxidants and vitamin A, vital for repairing skin tissues and keeping your skin glowing. Take a lemon and squeeze in just a dash of juice. This tiny burst of zest is not only refreshing, but also an excellent source of vitamin C and flavonoids, which are known to boost skin health. Now it's time to add in a sweet element to balance out the citrus. Peel and toss in a ripe banana. Bananas are not just sweeteners, they're packed with vitamin E and C, both known for their skin-enhancing properties. To bring it all together, add a cup of coconut water. Coconut water is a hydrating miracle worker filled with electrolytes that help nourish and rejuvenate your skin from within. Blend all these ingredients together until they're smooth and creamy. Feel free to add a handful of ice cubes for that extra chill. To top it all off, sprinkle a teaspoon of chia seeds. These little seeds are a great source of omega-3 fatty acids, known for their anti-inflammatory effects and ability to protect the skin from sun damage. Pour your Citrus Sunrise Smoothie into a glass and take a moment to appreciate the vibrant colors before you take your first sip. It's not just a delicious smoothie, it's a refreshing and health-packed drink that will leave your skin glowing. And there you have it, a Citrus Sunrise Smoothie to start your day with a zing. Now go on, take a sip and let the flavors dance around your palate. Enjoy this zesty Citrus Sunrise Smoothie for a glowing skin. Let's refresh what we've learned today. We've embarked on a delicious journey exploring the secrets behind smoothies that can give your skin that elusive radiance we all desire. Each type of smoothie we've delved into carries unique benefits, and when combined, they create a powerful cocktail for skin health. Remember the power of green smoothies packed with leafy greens like spinach and kale. These smoothies are a powerhouse of antioxidants and vitamins. The Green Glow smoothie, with its blend of greens, banana, and a touch of ginger, is a perfect way to kick off your day, energizing your body while promoting healthy skin. Then we ventured into the world of berry smoothies. Berries are nature's little treasure troves of antioxidants, fiber, and vitamin C. The Berry Blast smoothie, combining a variety of berries with a hint of Greek yogurt, not only tastes divine, but also helps to fight skin aging and boosts collagen production. Lastly, we discovered the citrus smoothies, a fantastic source of vitamin C. The Citrus Sunrise smoothie, with its refreshing blend of oranges, grapefruit, and a dash of honey, promotes skin hydration and aids in the prevention of wrinkles. Each smoothie recipe is not just a drink, but a step towards better skin health. Remember, the journey to glowing skin is more than just what you apply on the surface. What you consume plays a significant role too. These smoothies, rich in vitamins, antioxidants, and fiber, serve as a tasty and convenient way to nourish your skin from the inside out. But let's not forget, these smoothies are part of a larger puzzle. A balanced diet, regular exercise, and good sleep are equally important in achieving and maintaining healthy, glowing skin. So folks, it's time to blend up these smoothies and enjoy the glow they bring to your skin. Until next time, subscribe for more health and beauty reviews.